Struggling to find post comments in Elementor? It's hidden in plain sight. Learn the exact clicks to add it, plus how to unlock more Pro widgets instantly. First, we'll open the page editor. Then we'll locate the Site section, add the Post Comments widget, and cover the upgrade path. Start by going to the home page and opening it with Elementor. Then click on the highlighted area to continue. Now click on Site to open its options. Then select Post Comments from there. Go ahead and click on the Use Post Comments widget option, which also advertises dozens more Pro features to extend your toolbox. You'll see an Upgrade Now button. Click it. Then click Upgrade Now once more. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.